I created this tweet, this LinkedIn post, and this video for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts using this AI tool. So I'll show you how to get new viral content ideas, generate the text, images, and video. Since I've partnered with Semrush for this video, I'll show you everything in depth, step by step. So let's begin with step number 1. Go to semrush.com/social-content-AI or click the link in the description down below if that's easier for you, and you'll land on this page. Just click on get free trial. Just click on continue with Google or email and password and create an account. And now you're on the inside. I've already set mine up, but for you, there should be nothing here. So let's jump to step number 2, enter your details. So as you can see, if I click on edit business description, I can easily set up my company website that it's going to take information from and context, or I can create a brief description. Here I've entered tags that are in the AI space because that's what I create content for. So if you're in the health niche or say finance or relationships, you just enter main keywords or a brief description and then click on update description. Now, as you can see, they're taking news all across the web categorized by AI applications, ChatGPT, image generation, and even video generation. And this is all from today, the most recent news that you can find. In addition, they also have ideas by topic. That is an incredible tool for brainstorming and coming up with ideas. All of this is included in the 7-day free trial, so click the link in the description to try it out for free. But let's jump to step number 3, generate content. So I'm going to go into ChatGPT here and click on view more. This is my favorite part of the software because it's actually quite hard to go searching all across the web and find interesting articles, and to have them all here is very beneficial. While searching through this list, I found this article. This free European AI chatbot is 13 times faster than ChatGPT. This is something I read about before that you can see a quick video of here showing the 3 AIs head to head, where LeChat from Mistral writes extremely fast at 1,100 tokens per second, leaving the other LLMs in the dust. So all I'm gonna do now is to click on generate. Now you can see this open window, and all you need to do here is to click on your target social network. We're gonna start with X and LinkedIn. So I'll toggle those on, and then I'm gonna process the article as a recap instead of just an intro. This one can be really beneficial if you want to send people to your article, but we actually wanna make a standalone great post. I'm also gonna specify the post type. This news is definitely an announcement, so I'll make it that and click on generate. As you can see, this is what we generated to begin with a great summary. If I don't like it, I can always click on generate again and we get another one right below it. I like the second post more, so I'm gonna click on edit text and I'm just gonna format it so it looks nice on X. Just like that, I'm pretty happy with the result. So I'm gonna go to X, I'm gonna post the post in here. I'm gonna go and get this video as well, and all I need to do is write youtubepp.com, where I end up on the YouTube video converter. I'll click on convert, download, go back to X again and click on post. But what if we want to turn this into a LinkedIn post? Well, you can see here inside of Semrush that we have the expand. Usually on LinkedIn, we like to have an image as well as a more bulleted list of exciting talking points. I actually really like how this is written. I just want to format it a little bit better. So I'll do something like this just to make it a little bit easier to read. And I'll make sure to copy and paste the hook that I used before. This already looks good for LinkedIn, but I want to make an image. So let's go to step number 4, generate images. Maybe you are familiar with Canva or Photoshop. Well, Semrush kind of has the same inside. You can add a design, which is more of a templated design that you can change up yourself. You also have the design as a video, but they actually have a great image generator inside of Semrush. And this is what I'm going to use now. So I'm going to click on square 1, 1. I'm going to go down to minimalism, and these are the images that we got. I actually quite like this image. So what I'm going to do is click on this view in full screen. I love that they have an image generator in here, but what we're actually going to do is click on add design. Then I'll go down to LinkedIn 12 by 12. As you can see, it generated a few designs. I'm going to use this one, so I'll click on edit in design editor. As you can see, we can edit everything in here. So I'm going to remove the hearts, and then I'm going to go to Google and find a ChatGPT PNG. I'll make sure it has a transparent background, copy the image and paste it in here. As you can see, it fits perfectly right in the bottom here, just like that. Then I'm going to find the Mistral logo, right click, copy image, paste it in here, just like that, resize it a little bit. And I guess it fits to put Claude in here as well. So let's grab that, resize it and put it in the back here. I'll change the color of this button like that. And I just want to change the ChatGPT to be in the background, and it's looking pretty good. I'll take this, copy it and say new le chat, just like that. I also added a new le chat text in the top, and I think this would really perform well on LinkedIn. I just want to add one shocking thing. I'll drag this X object over here, and then I'll put it on top of ChatGPT, just like that. I actually really like this. So all I'm going to do is click on save design. And as you can see, they're now prepping your design to be saved. So now that we got the text and the image, all we need to do is step number 5, post on social media. So just go to this social dashboard, and this is where we need to connect social profiles. So just click on connect and then select what type of account you want to connect. We'll do LinkedIn, connect my profiles, and we're now successfully connected. Now I'll click on poster, click on new post. I'll paste the text that we had from before, upload the image that we created in the previous step. And you can now see how it will look like on the side. We can either publish the post right away, schedule it, publish regularly, or save as a draft. You can see here on the content calendar on the right side when it will be posted. So if I change it to Friday, for example, you can see it conveniently here in the poster. I want to post it now, so I'll just click on post now, and there we go. It's all posted to LinkedIn. Because we're creating these so fast, they also have the bulk scheduling feature that you can import 100 posts from one table as a CSV file to make this a lot easier for you. But we only talked about LinkedIn and X. So let's go to create videos. If you want to take it to the next level, since we already have this idea, we could also turn it into video content. So I'm going to go to 11labs.io. This is completely free to use, and I'll click on the text to speech. Here I can paste the entire text in here and click on generate speech. Here we can select any voice, including your own cloned voice if you want that, but listen to this.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I...
This one?
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, you know?
I like this one, so let's use that. Now click on generate speech.
Discover LeChat, the new powerhouse AI chatbot from Mistral based in Europe, designed to significantly outperform its peers.
Awesome, just like that, we can click on download. Now all we need to do is to click on generate content. I'll start from scratch here and paste the exact text that we have from before and just click on generate. We could have actually gone to the generated content we did before, but what we're gonna do is click on add design video. Here, let's make it a reel. And as you can see, we got these templates. I'm gonna click on this one, edit in designer, and then go over to music. Here, I'll click on my music, upload the 11 Labs voiceover, just drag it directly onto the timeline, and then I'll grab the video that we downloaded from the website, drop it in here.
Free AI chatbot 13x. Discover
Then I'm going to edit it a little bit by making the video a bit bigger, edit the text, and add some interesting bullets here. Just like that, make it a little bit bigger. I guess this template is a little bit girly. Today I'm just feeling so aesthetic. I'm also gonna add a background image by just dragging this over here, making it the entire size. Click on the move layer and send to back. Click on opacity and turn it down. And now it's even more aesthetic. So all I'm gonna do is click on save design. Now we can go back. Just like that, we can now click on send to poster. I need to make sure to connect my Instagram. Successfully connected. As you can see, the captions and the video is already uploaded. We can also select to have a link in bio if you want to change that when the post is published. You can also click onto your story, which I highly recommend. Or if you don't do that, you can also add a first comment to interact with your audience. I'm gonna click on story here. Then we can select post now, schedule, publish regularly, or save as a draft. I actually want to post it now, and you can even see when your fans are online and what is the best posting time. So it seems like right now before the peak seems to be a good idea. So I'm just gonna click on post now and post it now. Now, as you can see on my Instagram, a story has been posted and it's the exact one that we just created with this amazing video, bunch of bullet points, and it was all created with an idea that we found from Social Content AI. I didn't even have time to talk about the social tracker, content insights, and analytics that takes it to the next level. But before you go and check this out yourself, I just want to talk to you about the price. If you're interested in tracking and analyzing any brand's social strategy, so this is part of Semrush Social Content AI package that has all of these things to make social content a lot easier to make. Whether you're a business owner, digital marketer, social media manager, or digital agency, we all need to grow on social media. So when we check out the price, for the starter pack, it's $19.99 per month, 5 social profiles to manage, 10 social profiles to track competitors, 50 posts per month, and 30 AI text, image, and video generations. This is great for individuals and small teams, but if you want to take it one step further, you can go to the Plus plan at $39.99 a month with 10 social profiles to manage, 20 social profiles to track competitors, unlimited posts per month, and unlimited AI text, image, and video generations. To have an all-in-one tool that can easily manage your socials without having to log into each and every different platform just to post your content is a very valuable thing to have. So click the link in the description to get a free trial. You can test it out for 7 days for free without signing up your credit card. And when you're ready, select the starter plan or the plus plan based on your needs. Hopefully this video helped you creating more AI content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.